wonder what Ellis Island thinks of the news that Clark County commissioners are trying to lock Formula One into 10 more years. Ellis Island is one of 3 businesses right here. That convenience store across the way that uses dynamic pricing throughout, by the way, have been for decades. This souvenir shop, Ellis Island, sued Formula One in Clark County. They did get a payout. Don't know how much. But what's going to happen going forward for 10 years? You're going to get a payout every year? They have to sue them every year? I don't know. I can tell you locals don't like it. Can't think of any locals that think it was good for them. What's going on over there? Tents and shit over there. Wonder what that is. Might be for EDC. Is this bike locked up? Kinda. I guess it's safe right here, but I wouldn't trust it. This is a terrible city for bikes. I've had 3 stolen. That's Metro Pizza. A pizza by the slice. Look at that, $3.75 to $5. $5 is the most expensive, and it's good pizza. Real good pizza. Yeah, highly recommend it. You can get three of those slices for the price of a strip slice. This is where the VIP used to be. It's gone. Some of these ATMs around Vegas are charging $16 for to let you use your bank card. I understand they're not affiliated with the bank and they got to make money, but $3 is enough. Fried shrimp, French fries, coleslaw, super salad, $12.99. Today's soup is clam chowder. During remodeling, that was the slot room, a slot room. And it looked really cool, in my opinion. Hot dogs, $5, credit card only. They're not open. Why not? Add chili, only $1 extra. Well, oh, they open at 11 o'clock. Oh, no, they don't. They open at 11 a.m. and close at 7 p.m. Come on, people eat hot dogs when they're making bad decisions. As in midnight. Come on, man. $5 blackjack, 6 to 5. $5 electronic craps. I can't read the sign on the live craps over here. Let me put my camera down and check it out. Okay, $10 live craps, traditional table. $5 craps, electronic, traditional table. $3 pop-up. $10 double zero roulette. $5 6 to 5 blackjack. $25 3 to 2 blackjack. $3 roulette. Okay, so they have $25 3 to 2 blackjack. You come in here and you know that, and you sit down at a $25 table. It would be right to assume that it's 3 to 2, but that's not true. It's up to you to make sure it's 3 to 2, because it is 3 to 2 at one table, and the table right across the way, 3 to 2. It's not 3 to 2. It's 5 to 6. 6 to 5, and it's still $25. So double check. Measure twice, cut once. I actually cut and cut and cut until I have to go back to Home Depot. Boomer's Sportsbook. I'm surprised they went with Boomer's. I think there's only a couple places around here that you can cash a ticket. They used to be William Hill, now they're with Boomers. Yeah, I don't understand that at all. This room right here is just what a improvement. Well, there was nothing here. This is a complete add-on. This is the Boomers sports book. Here, if you want to know more about Boomers, you should be able to scan that. Huh. There's not a lot of people in here, but the air is really good right now. Look at the high ceiling. It's a really high ceiling, like 20 feet, maybe 25. And that media wall is really cool. Definitely could watch a game in here in comfort. It's a super nice bar to play slots or blackjack, video poker. I think they have a $5 beer. Maybe not. Well, yeah, there's their taps. Yeah, they have cheap draft beer. The only thing I don't like, they kind of crowded this area back here. Well, tonight you can get by, but when it's busy, you can't. Claustrophobic back there. So, oddly, they don't want you to use the steps to get upstairs. They want you to use the elevator. Why in the world would that be? Because the elevator only fits 2 people. Well, let's go up. I don't know why they want you to take the elevator up and take the stairs down. Makes no sense. I mean, the elevator every time it goes up, it costs a lot of money because it wears out. That elevator that goes up 3 floors, something's on the 2nd floor and you can't get to it unless you have a code. Offices, I guess. But that elevator cost, to put in, brand new, $300,000. $300,000. That is crazy. And the maintenance on it is outrageous. You got to get on a maintenance plan, and that way you can pay for the parts and not the labor, but you're paying a fortune per month. Elevators and escalators are the most expensive items on a casino's spreadsheet. Also on the HOA spreadsheet. If you're a member of an HOA in a condo and you hear that they got to replace an elevator, you better get ready to pony up. Yeah, that has something to do with EDC. I guess they're staging for the buses over there. Because obviously the people got to stay. 500,000 people have come for EDC. Electric Dance Kooks. I mean, Electric Dance Carnival. What's amazing about that is the music sucks. I mean, it really, there's no way to sugarcoat it. It absolutely sucks. I mean, you can get it free online on AI for AI music. This sounds just as good or better than anything they're putting out.